In this video, we're going to make this super cute and very easy heart pop-up card. These are made in just a few minutes. They take just a couple materials to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it every step of the way. To get started, you're going to need 2 full sheets of paper. I have a pink piece and a purple piece of construction paper. You can use any paper you like, but just make sure it's the same color on both sides. And then just a scrap paper. We're going to cut another little heart out later. It doesn't have to be a full sheet. You're going to need a pen or a pencil. You'll need some tape or glue. I have some double-sided tape that I'm going to be using. But you can also use some glue or a glue stick, something like that. And then you'll need a pair of scissors, and that's it. So what you're going to do is begin by taking your first sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half. So just take it and fold it right in half. And then take your second sheet of paper, and then you're going to fold that one in half as well. And that's it. Okay? Then you're going to determine what's going to be the inside and the outside of your card. As you can see here with mine, I have an outer piece of paper and then an inner piece of paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the purple for our outside paper and the pink for our inside paper. And then we'll add a little purple heart to the inside, okay? So you kind of want to plan that out ahead of time. So just set this purple one aside for now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold our pink one back over. And I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut just a little edge off of it, because when you close your card back up, it's going to make a nice little frame when you close it. Just looks a little bit more finished, and it just takes an extra quick second to do. Okay, so just take that and trim those edges. That will give this nice little edge and make your card look more finished. Okay, so then what you'll do is just check it out, make sure it looks nice with your card, and you're going to fold it back over. And you're going to take your pen, and you can use like a pre-cut heart or something, or heart shaped something that you have on hand. I'm just going to freehand it, okay? Now, when you make your drawing, you want to make sure your heart doesn't come past the middle of your paper. So you might even want to put a little dot there. Now, you can draw on the back side of this. It doesn't matter because this part is going to get glued down. So don't draw on the inside of it, just draw on the outside of it, okay? So here is our fold along here. We're going to draw the heart, half of a heart along this fold, okay? You want this part open back here. So take your pen or pencil, and you're just going to draw your heart. Now, if you noticed, I didn't go past that dot there, okay? There's where my dot is, there's where my heart is, okay? Now, we're going to start cutting. But you want to cut only the top part and the bottom part, and you want to leave yourself a little bit of a space here. That's going to hold your heart together, okay? So as you can see, I have half of my heart cut and then my little tick marks, okay? So go ahead and cut. Now again, these pencil lines, pen lines won't show when you go to glue it down. So it's okay if it shows or you leave some behind, okay? So take your scissors and you're just going to cut. Now, sometimes I go a little outside the line because as I'm cutting, I'm like, oh, this needs to be a little bit more rounded or something like that. That's okay. Nobody's going to see your lines. All right. And then I'm just going to cut my heart all the way around, stopping at those little lines I made. I find that it helps to draw the lines on there so I know when to stop. Okay. So you can see my heart is still somewhat attached. Okay. Now, take your first piece of paper that we creased, and we're going to open this up and lay it down in our card, okay? So you can see we have our cutout heart, but we're not done yet, because what we need to do is gently lift up this heart, and we're going to fold this crease outward now, okay? You want to put a nice strong crease on that. That helps with the pop out part, okay? And then the part where it's attached, you'll want to fold this in on itself as well. So do that side and fold this side in as well, okay? So you can see we're already getting that pop-up look, okay? Now take your glue or your tape, whatever you have, and flip the heart paper over. And what we're going to do, now I have this handy little dispenser. This is made by Eileen's, and it just dispenses double-sided tape right down on a piece of paper or whatever it is you want to attach. So I'm just doing that on mine. But if you want to glue, just go ahead and glue the same area. Just be sure with construction paper that you don't goop it on there too thick. It'll ripple a lot if you try to do it too thick, okay? So I put my tape down, and I'm going to flip this back over, and we're going to kind of center it on this purple sheet, okay? So just center it the best you can, and then just press it into place, okay? Now we're going to add a little bit of an accent, because if we look at our card, our heart kind of disappears. So we're going to do like a little accent heart. So this is where our scrap paper comes in handy. You're going to make a heart. Now I like to hold it up and draw 2 little lines just to make sure it's going to be a little bit smaller, okay? So we can trace the shape around, grab your scissors, and you're going to just cut out another heart. Now again, making sure the middle is on that fold, okay? So cut it all the way around, open it up, make sure you like it. Sometimes, like, see how this looks a little bit geometric? I like to kind of touch it up. Totally fine. You can scoot this out of the way. Now, grab your card again, open up your heart, and now we just have a little accent. Now, this is bent outward, so we also want to make sure our other heart is bent outward, so it also pops up nicely. And then we can grab our tape, just throw a couple pieces of tape on here, or glue, whatever it is you're using. I just thought this would be really quick to show you. And then once your heart has glue or tape, just kind of center it up and press, okay? And then you can see it kind of just highlights the heart a little bit nicer. It looks like a little candy heart. Now, once everything is in place, you want to let your glue dry all the way. And also, you want to fold it back over because our creases, sometimes we need to kind of just re-crease everything. The sharper you have these creases, see how I'm like pressing it down? The sharper you have these creases, the nicer it's going to look when you open it. So then when you open your card, everything looks really nice. And you can see our heart closes nicely, and it doesn't hang out because we only did it to half the card earlier, okay? And that's it. That's how you make a heart pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter video updates. Bye, everyone.